Hey friends, welcome back to Math Coach Corner. Today, you get to be the coach. Your friend is having some difficulty with adding rational numbers. They decided to have you check this problem that they just solved. So, what do you think? Is their work correct? Take a few minutes to check it over. All right, let's take a closer look at this solution. The first step they took was to rewrite the problem, placing the numbers inside absolute value bars, turning them both into positive values. Then they added them together to get a sum of positive 3 95/100ths. However, this answer is not correct. So where's the mistake? Let's work this problem out again to find it. We'll need to pay close attention to the signs of both numbers. We have two negative numbers, and when we have the same signs, we add and keep the sign. So let's add them together first and then determine the sign. Since both numbers were negative, the sum is also negative, so the answer should have been negative 3 95/100ths. So where exactly did your friend make the mistake? The mistake was made when they rewrote the problem, placing both numbers inside absolute value bars, making them both positive. If the numbers had different signs, then the absolute values would be important, but not when the signs are the same. This is a very common error that beginner students make. Let's look at another one. This time, your friend is adding a pair of fractions with different signs. A mistake was made, but where? Were you able to find it? The easiest way to find mistakes is to work the problem out again. First, let's look at the signs of the numbers, positive 2 1/7 and negative 5/7. The signs are different, so we'll need to subtract them and keep the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. But first, let's rewrite the mixed number into an improper fraction, positive 15/7. Next, we need to look at the denominators. Since they are both the same, we can just subtract the numerators. 15 minus 5 is 10/7. Of course, we'll need to simplify that using division to get 1 3/7. The last step is to determine the sign. For that, we need to compare their absolute values. Positive 15/7 has a greater absolute value than negative 5/7, so the answer is positive 1 3/7. So where exactly is your friend's mistake in their solution? Were you able to find it? The mistake happened when they rewrote the problem as the addition of two positive numbers. It seems they dropped the negative sign altogether. And as you can see, if you do that, the answer is quite a bit different. Nice work today. At Math Coach Corner, the goal is not just to get an answer, but to really think about whether it makes sense. That kind of checking helps you catch mistakes and gain more confidence in your math skills. Don't forget to support our channel by giving us a like, a share, and subscribe. Doing this keeps our channel going strong. And head on over to mathdefined.com for the next set of lessons in our pre-algebra course. I'll see you soon, and until then, keep math awesome.